When you're traveling, it sometimes feels like you have two options: don't unpack and rifle through your luggage, or unpack, hanging everything up to have to pack again at the end of the vacation. What if there was a super easy way to pack and you never had to unpack again? Trtl packing pods, where packing and unpacking becomes as simple as roll it, pack it, and hang it. They make airports a breeze, suitcases a dawdle, and on the go a piece of cake. Did you know that rolling your clothes not only saves space but reduces creasing? Which helps you look like you didn't just step off a plane, even if you did. The unique shape of the Trtl packing pods makes them ideal for rolled clothing, meaning you can get more in. They allow all that you've packed to fit in neatly, and you'll be able to easily see everything that's in it, so you can grab it and go. Now, let's talk about packing. Packing pods are designed to fit in all types of luggage, including carry-on cases and large suitcases, as well as holdalls and backpacks, so you'll have no more dead space in your luggage. For real. Here you can see how easily the pods fit into all shapes of luggage. The 3 sizes the packing pods come in make them perfect for a variety of uses and great for separating out your stuff. You can use them for shoes, tech, toiletries, or your gym gear. Even with their unique shape, you can still compress them down even further to make the most out of your luggage space. Just take the hook at the top of the pod and fold down to attach onto the loops at the back. And there you have it! Just another way the Trtl packing pods are super adaptable. From packing to using as a comfortable day bag, Trtl packing pods can organize even the messiest of packers in a snap. One of the neatest features of the Trtl packing pods is the number of ways you can hang them up. You can secure them over the railing in a closet using the grab strap and G-hook like this. And you can also hang them in a row, or even from each other in a daisy chain. Depending on the space, you can hang the pods any way that you like. Simply use the top hooks and secure to the loops at the back of the pod, like this. Secure over a towel rail in the bathroom, or from grab handles in the car. Use the G-hook to hang the pods from coat hooks, closet rails, or from the back of a plane seat to stash all of your flight essentials. You won't need to worry about unpacking again. Your Trtl packing pods can also turn into a bag, perfect to use as an everyday duffel bag or shoulder bag when you reach your destination, or even just at home. Take the free carry strap you get with your packing pods and hook it into the loops at the top and base of each pod, and you're ready to go. Can we see that again? You can see clearly here the connection points on the strap and on the packing pods as a guide. Save space in your luggage by using the packing pods as bags. And you can use it in the airport before putting in your carry-on to keep your passports and documents close to hand. What's even better is you can secure each pod. Simply hook the zip up and over the G-hook, making sure it can't be unzipped, keeping it safe. Trtl packing pods are the first Trtl product to be made of recycled materials. They're also water-resistant, lightweight, and are machine washable. At Trtl, we created packing pods to help solve another travel hassle in 3 ways, making it multi-use so you can get more out of it, space-saving so you can pack in more, and by hanging them anywhere, you never have to unpack again. Trtl packing pods, the revolutionary way to pack.